Introduce highlight features and quick overview of COWONE. Approved 9-inch RGB Halo LED round headlights, DIY RGB color compatible with Jeep Wrangler JL Sport Rubicon Sahara 2018 to 2020. Integrated mounting bracket. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Never miss a new clip from our channel. You can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Highlight features or overview summary are included. Please kindly know that it's not damaged once you see that a few halo, 4/3 halo, or half halo. What you need to do: just setting 36 LEDs that show brightest full halo. With more advanced Cree LED chips, 3x much brighter and durable than stock headlight or other headlights. 6500K pure white light. 7500 lumens on high beam and 4500 lumens on low beam. With 121 kinds of RGB flashing functions, Bluetooth controlled and all phone compatible, and music mode and manual control, unlimited colors. Easy installation, plug and play, shockproof, waterproof, IP67, black durable aluminum housing, super heat dissipation function, exclusive breather valve on the back for anti-fogging. If you do not understand, not sure, or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.